Arcade party's winding down and we're all waiting for the end. And I don't want another drink, I only want that last one again. It gave me such a fine glow, smoky and slow. Now I should probably be homeward bound, but there's no one to talk to when the lights go down. I guess in the morning I'll go looking for my gray striped cat. My old house can take the weather, so I'm not too concerned about that. It was built to take the wind back in 1910, when this was one damn fine town. But now there's no one to talk to when the lights go down. And the candles flickered on the back bar, and the building was shaking with the wind. I bought a whiskey for the gypsy, and she turned my leather back into skin. Just a fleeting sense of that rare suspense I once thought made the world go round. But now there's no one to talk to when the lights go down. Open up your back screen door, let me see your face once more. My hands are cold, my feet so sore, and I can't go on this way. And the thoughts come too fast and too many to keep count. Best just let them on through. Now I'm breaking those old glass insulators with my old 22. Off the telephone pole as a $50 rolls across the knuckles of a rodeo clown. There's just no one to talk to when the lights go down. And my one great love, my God, I can feel her still. She ran off to California now, she's living in those Hollywood hills. With some bullfrog prince, I've not seen her since, though she calls when he's out of town. And there's no one to talk to when the lights go down. Open up your back screen door, let me in your space once more. I was looking for an easy score, but it just don't work that way. Some insurance man biker is yelling out for one more beer, but a part-time pirate just can't get much respect around here. We got our problems too, man, and we'll get to you in just a minute. Sit your drunk ass down. Yeah, there's no one to talk to when the lights go down. Now there's water up past the wheel wells of my Ford, and I don't guess it'll run. But I left a pack of Winstons on the dash. Could you fetch 'em for me, son? The morning's first cigarette, that's as good as it gets all day. I should know by now that there's no one to talk to when the lines go down.